Hello everybody and welcome to the Coffee Grinder giveaway. For this giveaway I put all of the 257 patrons on this spreadsheet. And the list goes as follows. The yellow ones are from the $1 tier, and each name is once on the spreadsheet. So check if your name is there. It should be everything okay. Then here the next ones are the $3 tier. Each name is on the spreadsheet 3 times. So I copy paste this list 3 times. The next one is the $5 tier. I did copy paste it 5 times. So each name from the $5 tier is 5 times on the list. And the next one is the $10 tier. Each name will be 10 times on the list. And the last one is 2 people who pledge $20. Their name will be 20 times on the list. As you can see, we have a total of 739 names on the list. It goes from 1 to 739. Okay, let's pick a number. So here's a random number generator, and I first do a test from 1 to 3 just to make sure that the number 1 and 3 gets picked as well. Okay, there we go. 1. Let's pick again until we have a 3 again also. Okay, there we go. Now I put in the number 739 and let's get a winner. Number 455. Okay, let's see on a spreadsheet who's that. $455. Clément Bernard. Congratulations. I will send you an email and you can send me your details from the address and everything, and I will send the coffee grinder to you. Thank you so much guys for all your support. I really do appreciate it, and I'm really sorry for how we have to do the giveaway here. It's yeah, because it's not allowed to do it on Patreon. Yeah, thank you so much.